Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the speed of your cursor or your pointer on your LG TV using the Magic Remote. So let's go to Settings here, then click it here, wait for this to load, then go down to General, go to the right and scroll on down. We want to go to System, then go to Additional Settings, and then we have Pointer Options. And we have tracking speed, we have fast, normal, slow. I'm going to go to fast. And then we got the pointer size. We got large, we got medium or small. Small is way too small for me. I'm going to go back to maybe just medium is good. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.